are going to church. Today is Sunday and it's my off. We are going to church, guys. At saka, guys, you look, guys, so maganda yung panahon ngayon, guys. So time to go church, guys. Let's go. Samahan nyo kami, guys, ngayon para magsimba. Diba, honey?
Hello, guys.
Yan, asawa ko. Yan, punta na kami ng simbahan, guys. Maganda siya nga, magandang panahon ngayon, guys. So, ayan. Dahil off ko ngayon, guys, Sunday. So, we plan to go church. Yan, see you guys. Say hello.
Oh, hello, baby. Hello.
So after church, guys, nandito kami sa park, Ingomi Park. Yan.
This airplane, the ball is too much big.
Guys, ano lang siya dito, chicken. Actually, may video na ako ito dati, guys. Lagi kami pumupunta dito I think, honey, every year we are here, huh? Because last year also is January 2.
Look, the emu.
Yeah, emo.
Emu.
And this is cat. And this is cat. Yeah.
Emu.
Emo.
Oh.
La. Emo. Hi. Yes, yes, yes.
This is the fighter.
Ayan, guys, so meron pa rin dun mga ducks. Honey.
Hello, 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 hello. Happy trip.
Happy trickings. Yan, guys. So, nandito na kami sa may... What is this? Orange? Mandarin?
Orange.
Orange. Yan, oh. Marami pa dun, guys. Oh. Yan, orange. But this is not sweet.
No.
Yan. There's an orange, mandarin, and it's not sweet, this. Look at the face. Huh? No. No. Makukuha lang siya, guys, if you want to pick up, but you cannot go there. It's close, you know. Tanim ng orange. And this is the mandarin. Oh, it's not sweet, guys. And there's also olive tree. Ayan, olive tree. Ayan. Every year kami pumupunta dito lagi, guys, kasi libre ang mandarin, libre ang orange. Yan. But ngayon, guys, wala na masyadong
The grapefruit may be here.
And color black already. It's not good.